Aloha kalikimaka kako o wau o manako.
O wau o tābo.
Ia maua ke ho'olaha aku nei I ko maua hau oli no kia wā kalikimaka he au maluhi ano hoi. Ke make ni maua e ho'ohanohano I kia wā kalikimaka mau ka himeni ana I ke kahi himeni na kai kane Hawaii o kuili. Ua ano laha paha I kunui po I ma Hawaii a ka ia mau ke ho'olaha aku nei me ke aloha a ole na e me ka leo nahe I ke mele no ka wā kalikimaka. Oia hoi o Song of Christmas. Oia. Snowflakes fall like little flower petals softly tumbling down. Mr. Snowman with his wooden gun is guarding this old town. And each Christmas tree with starlights glistening is all aglow with a wonderland of secrets wrapped in boxes below. As I listen to the sound of children playing in the night, I can hear the bells go jingling, ringing bright. I hear sleigh bells ring and Santa singing his ho, ho, ho. It is going to be a very Merry Christmas, I know. Little ones are busy sending notes. Dear Santa, I've been a good little boy. Little ones with heavy winter coats look like great big bundles of joy. On the avenue you'll see the smiling faces glowing bright. And Aurora Borealis on this wondrous night of nights. In the hush of nights a song of Christmas comes sweet and clear. To all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. To all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Mele kalikimaka ia kākua pauloa mai iau a mei nei. Ahui ho!
Aloha.
Hau ole makiki ho! Aloha!